Tired of constantly switching between apps? Missing important messages while watching videos? There's a better way. There is a split-screen dual-window apps, the ultimate multitasking solution for your iPhone. We've all been there. You're watching a tutorial but need to take notes. You're chatting with a friend but want to browse social media. You're reading an article but need to reply to emails. With split-screen dual window, you can finally use two apps at once, just like you've always wanted. No more interruptions. No more lost productivity. Just seamless multitasking. Here's what makes split-screen dual window essential. Browse and chat simultaneously. Keep your conversations flowing while shopping, reading, or browsing the web. Watch and work. Follow along with tutorials, take notes, or reference documents while watching videos. Compare effortlessly, compare prices, check multiple websites, or review documents side by side. Customize your layout, adjust the split to your preference. 50-50, 70-30, or any ratio that works for you. Easy app switching. Quickly swap apps in either window with a simple tap. Your favorite apps are always just one touch away. Getting started is incredibly simple. Just open split-screen dual window, choose your two apps, and start multitasking like a pro. The intuitive interface means there's no learning curve. If you can use your iPhone, you can master split-screen multitasking in seconds. Drag the divider to resize. Tap to switch apps. It's that easy. Don't let app switching slow you down. Join thousands of users who've already transformed how they use their iPhone. Download split-screen dual window today in the App Store and experience true multitasking freedom. Split-screen dual window. Two apps. One screen. Infinite possibilities.